The Brita UltraMax large water dispenser. You'd see here I have it on the middle shelf of this refrigerator. It fits in here really nice. It goes in the side right here. Still a little bit of room in the back, so it is almost the length of the entire refrigerator here, but it fits very nicely. Still got a little bit of gap on the shelves right here where I would be able to adjust it a little bit more up or down if I had to, but this is really nice for in the fridge here. This holds 27 cups of water, which is about 1.68 gallons of water. So it's got a really nice reservoir on here. It's gonna last for quite some time. It holds 18 cups of water in the body and 9 in the reservoir on top right here. See, that's where the filter is right here. This one has the Elite filter on it, so it's gonna purify the water a lot better. But overall, very happy with this. It's got this nozzle right here, so it just goes right over the edge of the shelf right here, so you can pour it out easy. I use this to fill up like the Keurig coffee then bottles that we're drinking water out of, and it just works really well. And it is nice because it does keep it cold. But I highly recommend checking this out if you're looking to get a water purifier system. This is a really nice model. Brita makes some really good stuff. Again, this is the Brita UltraMax large water dispenser with the Elite filter.